Hi, this is Foster Johnson, the principal at SFJ Academy. And right now I'm going to show you a very quick preview of a course I'm working on that should be out in February the 15th. So this is what this is all about. There is a new 3D game kit. If you're a Unity user, download the actual 3D game kit at unity3d.com. So before you take my comprehensive course, I would suggest you run through what's called the Quick Start at 3D Game Kit. It looks a little bit like this. So if I visit the 3D Game Kit, after visiting unity.com, I'm going to click on the Learn button, and here it is, the 3D Game Kit. Down here I can download the actual project. And you will have all of the assets necessary to build your own 3D game, and you won't have to learn any code. So my suggestion is jump into the Introduction to the Quick Start, and you'll be ready to follow me on February 15th when the course comes out. This is what it's all about. Right in front of me right now, I've got Unity. I've got Unity loaded, and there's Ellen. She's in the middle. Here's a little platform that actually animates. There's a portal door. There's a door that she can move through to teleport to another scene in your game. So this door will open based on her stepping on the pressure plate. There's even a little bad guy over here. When he sees Ellen, he's going to go to attack Ellen, and I've set him up so Ellen has to kind of fight with him one, two, three times before you can actually get rid of that bad character. He's called Chomper. So just to give you an example of all the fun things we're going to build in this 3D Game Kit introductory course, let's play the actual game here. Just this one scene that I set up as the foundation of the class. So I click the play button here, and you'll see as soon as my scene generates, there's that floating platform. This allows it to animate, and if we can get Ellen to jump high enough, she'll jump on that platform and be able to move to a different level. If we turn Ellen around and look, there's that pressure plate. Let's go check that out. So I'm just going to use my ASWD keys. I'm going to move forward. See how when she steps on the pressure plate, the door actually opens. So that gives you the opportunity to build some interesting structures on the other side of that door. There's a teleport panel over here. When she steps to that teleport panel, check out what happens. She jumps through, and she's spawned right back to her spawn point in the original game. Let's see what happens when she tries to go up against Chomper. So Chomper, he can't see very well, but he can see with about 15 feet in front of him. When she steps in there, he's going to start to attack. So I better give him a melee. There's two of them. One more, and old Chomper's gone. So he's out of the way. This little floating panel over here, I'm going to see if I can get Ellen to jump up on that panel when it hits the ground. So right about there, and sure enough, she jumps up in the air, she's on that floating panel, and we can transport her to another part of the game. This is pretty exciting stuff. It's going to be an exciting game. It'll be a lot of fun, and it will teach you how to build an entire 3D game kit. This is just the first piece of that entire game. I hope you join me on February 15th, 2019.